You guys, we are here today. Hunter and Danny, say hey, babes.
Hey, what's going on, you guys?
Okay, so the topic for today is how to make a banner for your YouTube. So, babes, take it away.
All right, you guys. So when making a banner for your YouTube, you want to make sure that you have the appropriate pixels for the banner.
What website are you using?
So I'm using Canvas right now. One of the good websites for making banners, thumbnails for all of your picture needs. As you can see, I do have a couple of designs that I have made.
And this is for my other YouTube channel, you guys. Check it out.
Again, you guys, so what we're going to do is go right to here to where it says Create Design.
Wait, hold on.
Where it says Create Design.
Uh-huh.
And then we're going to go to Custom Size.
Okay.
And as you can see, I got 2048 and 1152.
And why do you need that?
That's the size of the banner that YouTube is requesting for you to put into your video. So that way it fits and nothing's wrong.
Is this the banner for the homepage?
Yes.
Okay.
So what you'll do is hit New Design, and a box will come up. Now, you have a bunch of options here. Templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, styles, music, videos, and background.
Is that a thing to pull down, to go down? What other stuff are there?
You also have folders and more, and Pro if you want to get the Pro version. But you don't have to get the Pro version. You can still use Canvas for free. You can actually download it. So when you're doing your banner, you can be creative. So what we're going to do is, because we have a banner already up here, we're going to just pick one of the pictures up here. Let's say we go with this one. Right? And we're just going to stretch out the picture here so that way it covers the full screen.
Me looking crazy.
And we're going to leave some space. Now with the banner, you just want a small picture. So it just wants to be able to fit into where you can see your face. So when you pop up your video on your homepage, this picture will pop up. But we're just using this picture as an example, okay? So once you do that, now you can definitely get creative with what you want. Once you did that and you resize it out, you're going to download. You're going to hit the download button. Now once you download, you're just going to leave everything the way it is. Make sure that it says 2048, 1142, and you're going to hit download. Once it's done downloading, it should be a few seconds. You'll see it at the bottom, and it'll give it its own thing. And then you'll get to exit, and you'll go right back to the YouTube channel. So now we're here going to YouTube Studios.
Y'all, this is my channel, y'all. Don't mind it.
We're going to scroll down to where it says Customization. Excuse me, Customization. And we're going to click on Customization. And where it says Branding, we're going to click on Branding. And where it says Banner, we're going to then hit Upload. Now, the banner will just now upload what we just saved. Now, you said it says Untitled Design. So make sure we find the same one that says Untitled Design at the top. Once we click, we are going to open. And now, the banner could be anything you want depending on what device you're watching it from, whether it's on TV or the desktop or on your all devices. We're just going to drag the camera, excuse me. Yeah, we're just going to drag it down some so that way we just get to a center point, and then we'll move it from there. So then once you get where you want your banner to be, you'll hit done, right? And make sure once you hit done, you hit publish. If you don't hit publish, you guys, it won't go. So make sure that you hit publish, wait for it to turn gray, and wait for the line to go across where it says changes publish. Then
go to channel.
You go to your channel.
Oh Lord, we got
That's cool. And then boom, your banner's at the top. Now
you gotta change that though.
Again, you guys, a banner could be whatever you want to. Very creative. Again, we'll definitely go through the steps again in the second video, explaining you how to make more thumbnails and making your watermarks and everything else like that. But we're gonna change this banner at the top. This is just a temporary one. We're gonna show you the other banner that we made, and we'll go from there.
Don't press sign out. You gotta switch that account.
So we're gonna show you the banner that we made for the other one.
Go to the logo.
Sorry, let's go to YouTube Studios.
No, you had to go to YouTube channel.
Oh, YouTube channel. And boom. So this is the banner that we made for our other YouTube channel, you guys. And as you can see, we have it there, open 24/7, nice quality, making sure that the picture is nice. It could be whatever you want, but the banner is what helps your page more interesting when people click on. So you want to make sure that your banner is whatever you could think of that relates to your channel.
Yeah, he does all the editing, guys. I just look cute. But you guys, thank you for tuning in. We're going to make a video on how to make thumbnails. Please watch again. Love y'all. Later. Say bye, babes.
See ya.